It is chilly and it is crisp out there. Sub-zero all day here in the FM area and enough wind to make it just brutal throughout the day. Although it felt better than this morning and there was some improvement and that improvement will continue. But first, we do have some impacts with tonight being that first alert weather day, and that's going to be dangerous wind chills early this evening into the early overnight hours. Then the wind picks up. We'll get some icy roads developing here and there as a result of that. Tomorrow, more snow on the way, more wind on the way, and the impacts of that will be as followed. We're watching for the morning commute to be impacted in the Devil's Lake Basin. Snow moves from west to east. By the midday hours, it moves into the valley and points east of here into Lakes Country. And the wind continues as it switches from south to northwest. But hey, it is our Luther Family Forward Weather Kid night. And joining me tonight, Alice Brooks. Alice, step out here and tell us a little bit about yourself, young lady. What grade are you in?
Fifth grade.
Fifth grade is so fun. Well, how old are you?
11.
11. Now, do you have a favorite class that you have at school?
I'd say my favorite is music class.
Awesome. Well, I love music too. I play the saxophone. And do you play, what instrument do you play? Do you play one yet?
I don't play one yet.
Okay, cool. Now, anybody you want to say hi to before we start talking about the weather?
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Bill. Hi, Mrs. Howe.
All right, good. Well, gave everybody a wave. Why don't we sneak over here and tell everybody and point out for them what's going on with the temperature right now in Fargo?
Right now, it is -8, but it feels like -28.
That's right. That's really cold. So bundle up out there, and that's thanks to the fact that we have a south-southeast wind blowing over 10 miles per hour. Why don't you take a look out to the west, Alice, and I want you to use this wall over here, the weather wall, and point out to folks where the warmest weather that you see is right now.
Right now, the warmest is 24 in Hettinger.
Very good. So it's much warmer out to the west. Now let's sneak over here. We'll dance over this side of the screen and look into Minnesota. Oh, you can come back over here. There we go. Now, why don't you tell everybody where the coldest weather that you see is right now?
And right now, the coldest is in Fargo.
Yeah.
-8.
Yeah, we're very cold. Oh,
wait, -9 in wet.
Wadena.
Wadena.
Yep, that's right. Now, wind chills, very cold out there. Definitely something where you want to cover exposed skin because we can get frostbite very quickly with wind chills down around 30 below zero. All right, satellite and radar. Do you see any clouds in Fargo or Grand Forks?
Nope.
Okay, where are the clouds?
Most of them are kind.
Sneak over here. Now you can point to them easier. There you go.
Well, over in this area,
yeah,
in Montana.
Well, yeah, Montana has some showers of snow and even some rain showing up out there. That's heading our way. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast. Now, I'm going to have you sneak over here just a little bit by Hutch, and I want you to point out tonight by 10 o'clock what the temperatures look like. Does it warm up any, or does it stay pretty chilly?
It still stays pretty cold.
Right. Now, we do have more wind arrows, so that wind out of the south will pick up, making it wind chilly, and that's why we're concerned about that wind chill. Then after 10 o'clock, Alice, the temperatures start rising. We're back above zero, but what do the yellow arrows mean? Do you remember when we talked about that?
Yeah, it means the wind is kind of blowing this way.
That's right, and it's even stronger than tonight. So we'll have gusts over 30, and who's seeing snow first thing in the morning?
Wait. Harvey, Devil's Lake.
Good, excellent. Yeah.
Wandon.
Yep, Langdon, Park River, and you had mentioned earlier that it has passed through the Bismarck area. This will make its way towards the Red River Valley. So places like Grand Forks and Fargo have a shot at what time of seeing some snow?
At 12 p.m.
Right, so that's lunch hour, noon, and we're still gusty south winds. So there's going to be snow and blowing snow as we go through the midday. This lasts into the afternoon. Notice how it just kind of sticks around like glued paper here in the valley as we go towards drive time. So we're going to have some accumulated snow. And how about those temperatures? Why don't you tell everybody what the temperature will be in Fargo tomorrow afternoon? You see it right here?
In Fargo, it'll be 24, but it'll feel like -11.
Yeah, so it's going to warm up a whole bunch tomorrow, but it will be windy. And then in the afternoon, the wind switches, becomes northwesterly, still gusty, causing some blowing, drifting, and tricky travel and blowing snow. Now, why don't you point out the area of greatest snowfall that you see on this map here?
Right now, the greatest is about up here by Hellock.
Very good. Yeah, so 2 to 4 inches, maybe a few with a little bit more than that, 1 to 3 as a wide rule across the valley and points to the south. So in Fargo, temperatures climb from 5 above all the way to 24. Snow chances with wind southwesterly gusting to 40 that becomes northwesterly late as the snow exits. And again, our best chance of snow from noon through drive time, a good couple of inches in Fargo, certainly likely. Moon dogs out there shining in the bright sky. Thanks for all your photos. Now, tell everybody what Saturday looks like. Warmer or colder than Friday, Alice?
A bit colder than Friday.
Yeah, back down to single digits. Sunday morning looks real cold, -11, that we warm up to 10, but there'll be flakes both Saturday and Sunday adding to our piles. And then, how about Tuesday? It's a first alert weather day. What's that morning temperature look like?
-11, but it'll feel like -25.
It's going to be a cold day in Arctic mess. Okay, Alice, step over this way. You did a fantastic job. I can't tell. I think that music sounds like a fun subject, but you're pretty good at this weather and science stuff. How was that? Was that easy or hard?
Not, well,
Shh, don't tell
pretty
him.
hard.
Yeah, it was really
There you
hard,
go.
everybody. Really, Hutch's job's hard, Mike.
I thought Alice in Weatherland did well.
She did it well.
Yeah.
Thank you, Alice.
How about others that might want to register?
Well, I'll tell you what, you can swing over to Luther Family Ford and sign up today. We'd love to have you come help Hutch do the weather, or log on to valleynewslive.com, click on the contest tab. There you'll find everything you need.
All right, a scary moment during a live broadcast.